What if I told you that immortality already exists? And it's not in some far-off future or a mythical tale. It's right here in the depths of our oceans. A creature so unique, it can live forever. This unassuming creature possesses the uncanny ability to cheat death. When faced with injury, starvation, or aging, it doesn't succumb to the ravages of time. Instead, it resets. Through a process known as transdifferentiation, Turritopsis dohrnii can reverse its life cycle, transforming back into an earlier stage of life, from mature adult back to juvenile polyp, again and again. A true biological immortality. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. Tiny, fragile, and yet capable of one of the most extraordinary feats in the natural world. It was first spotted in the 1880s near the Mediterranean coast. Just another jellyfish, it seemed, but no one knew. They were looking at the closest thing to biological immortality. Decades passed. Then in the 1990s, a group of marine biologists in Italy made a startling observation. These jellyfish weren't dying. Instead, they were reversing, shrinking back into their juvenile form, again and again. It was like discovering a creature that could rewind time itself. The scientific world was stunned. Was this just a strange trick of nature? Or had we stumbled upon a biological blueprint for eternal life? As the news spread, headlines screamed, "The immortal jellyfish, the creature that defies death." Suddenly, this tiny organism, just 4.5 millimeters wide, became the center of massive debates. Philosophers, bioethicists, and geneticists all asked, if immortality exists in nature, should we try to copy it? Researchers worldwide have turned their attention to this tiny marvel. Understanding how Turritopsis dohrnii rewinds its life cycle could unlock secrets of aging itself. In labs, scientists study the jellyfish's unique ability called transdifferentiation, where mature cells transform into different types, essentially resetting their biological clock. Could this process be replicated in humans? The idea is tantalizing. Reversing age-related damage, regenerating organs, even extending human lifespan. But the human body is infinitely more complex, and meddling with our biology raises tough ethical and medical questions. Still, the dream persists, a future where aging could be slowed, paused, or maybe even reversed. And it all began with a jellyfish no bigger than a grain of rice. Turritopsis dohrnii doesn't seek power, money, or fame. It doesn't know what immortality is, or why it matters to us. It simply lives. And when life becomes too much, it begins again. No glory, no legacy, just survival coded into its DNA. Meanwhile, we humans spend billions fighting the inevitable. We fear wrinkles. We fear disease. But more than anything, we fear the end. Turritopsis dohrnii offers a glimpse of a world where death isn't final, but also no true beginning, no aging, no growing, no legacy, just cycles. If you could live forever, would you still take risks? Would you still fall in love? Knowing heartbreak couldn't fade with time, would you still find meaning? If there was no ending, immortality is not just about living forever. It's about what we lose along the way. The immortal jellyfish doesn't ask these questions, but maybe we should. In trying to live forever, do we risk forgetting how to truly live? Some things were never meant to last forever. Or were they? Would you choose to live forever? For more unbelievable stories from our strange planet, subscribe now.